So now we're gonna open up something that he's never seen, which is an umbrella. We're gonna do that about 5 feet away from the puppy, and we're gonna see how he reacts to this strange object. So he's gonna check it out.
What is that? What is that?
So he's smelling it. We'll drop it and we'll see how she reacts to it. She's like, All right, so she looked at it, but not really sure she wants to investigate it. She'd rather check out the shoes. Oop, maybe. So she ended up going to investigate it. We'll see what he thinks of when it gets dropped on the ground. All right, so he went, he walked to it, he smelled it.
Miss Independent over here. Go. I guess I'm more interesting.
There we go. She have her mouth on? Yep.
Well, she did investigate
Yeah.
this.
I'll
That was
smell it.
interesting enough for your efforts, huh? Oh, and we're mouthing it.
Okay.